How to integrate Discord with Twitch. Integrating Discord with Twitch helps you connect your streaming community with your Discord server. First, open Discord and go to User Settings by clicking the gear icon at the bottom. Then choose Connections from the left sidebar. You will see a list of platforms. Click on the Twitch icon. A new window will open asking you to authorize Discord to connect to your Twitch account. Log in and authorize the connection. Once connected, your Twitch subscribers can automatically get roles in your server, and your live streams can show up in Discord channels. Use server roles linked to Twitch subscriber status to create exclusive channels or perks for your viewers. Are you a Twitch streamer? Let me know how you use Discord for your streams in the comments below. Connecting Discord and Twitch creates a seamless experience for engaging your audience across platforms. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.